Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set local account details for USD, Euro and GBP in Wise Personal. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get local account details for USD, Euro and GBP in Wise, all you gotta do is simply go to Wise and first of all find the currency to your account and add it. So once you have add currency in your Wise account, by the help of the home screen, you can simply select the add currency and choose USD, Euro or GBP from the list of currencies. Now you need to add money and verify your identity. Deposit a small amount into the new currency balance and follow the instruction to verify your identity. This may require you to upload a photo of your ID and selfie. Now get local account details, like once your identity is verified and your balance is active, find the currency balance for USD, Euro or GBP and select get your account details. Wise will provide the specific local details for that currency, such as a US routing and account number for USD or an IBAN and SWIFT BIC for Euro. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.